saying?
Was just saying ba nga?
We never stop grinding.
We never stop grinding.
No, from the moment we started dating.
Bitaw
we have
no.
started grinding together na.
But wala ba tayo paulay ay gikan nagkauyab ta Diyos ko.
Gikan ito kauyab ta. Siguro mga second year, third year na to maguyab.
Second year, oy.
Second year na to maguyab, no?
Second year
Started
college.
grinding.
Tanan na lang musa na itong ipang sudlan taon, uy. Remember sa una, babe? Remember sa una, babe, nga katong kita ang mukuha sa mga IDs.
Ay, ID.
Kana nagapa-IDs ang mga department sa school sa Ateneo. O kita sa psikolohiya, katoganing sa psychology department. Oo. Kita nagkuha sa mga IDs and I remember
itong nauso ang mga PVC ID.
Oh, PVC IDs. Tag 5-5 ta per ID card.
5
Gs mga nana. Tapos katong manghimo pod katong ganing voodoo doll.
Ay no. Katong nauso to mga dolls.
Oo. Tapos di ba nagahimo ka tapos ang ginahimo like ma'am nagahimo siya basta magpahimo pud ka sa nagapahimo pud og ubang tao mga teachers.
Mga yarn.
Mga yarn. Sa pato tag panghimo sa una. Assignments, of course. I think everyone knows that kita naghihimo tag assignments sa uban sa una.
Mga reaction papers.
Reaction papers, mga projects sa humanities.
Nga na.
Sa ba?
Mga dili na to classmate.
Mga thesis sa laing courses.
Mga dili na to classmate.
Sa laing courses kay mo. Grabe ba? Pati ka nang mag-edit o ka ng video sa una. Sa pa tong gamit nimo sa una?
Ay no. Vegas nga. Sony Vegas.
Di ba sa ganang di ba dapat ito isa katong app sa Windows jud? Media player ba? Windows Media Player ba? Ito ba maka-edit ba ka dito? Movie editor mo ba na? Sa ba itong ginahin mo? Remember katong last week nagstarahan ko sa pagumangkon habang nag-drive siya nga. Kita siya dito sa may Sandawa area ba? Sa Nunong's Grill to sa una siya nga. Dra mata sa una to katong pinakauna na kong trabaho jud nga imo kong gidala. Nga estudyante pa daw ta atong duha. Nako sa event place. This is shout out kay Ma'am Donna. Andad karon grabe dyan. Estudyante pa ko tapos marag kanang sa tago na kanang reunion sa young batch sa high school.
Yes.
Tapos among trabaho dito ni Jom kay registration. So ang ginahimo ni Jom dapat kay kuhaon ang name sa tanan mo abot sa event. Tapos tanan names nga makuha ni Jom through registration. Ako ang gina-text sa imuha. Tapos tapos imuha ang gina-print sa inyong balay sa sasa. Remember? Same night. Oo. So ang metabo kay imagine sa og Sandawa. Layo jud kay na. Mura na siya og basta layo jud kay siya kung di mo taga Davao, di mo. So si Swin would print the IDs sa tapos mga around 8
sa mga 1 hour before the event ends kay
nana ang mga IDs. So ang katawanan kay kung pagumangkon kay since bata pa kay siya ani mga high school mga second year pa first year yan ana.
14.
Maulaw siya mangutana sa pangalan ba. So iyang ginapakutan siya nagasulat sa daghan kayog mali ang mga spelling. Bitaw no. Pero antod sa nagtrabaho ta babe wala jud ta ning undang og grind.
Wala jud.
Even when we were in the corporate before, no world. Weekends ba trabaho gyapon.
While we are studying, we are grinding. Ngita maski racket dili.
So unsa rin ito itong ginahimo sa una no?
So kaingon to pala. Leon nataginabtan ni. And then antod karon racket dito.
Non-stop jud siya.
Ano gyapon? Sige gyapon pangita og racket and like I was saying kanina na I like it that way na parang we have learned ba na kanang sige lag pangita og racket.
Pangitag paraan how to earn. Wala man jud tay weekend town. Wala like it's super rare nga kitang duha. Karagay makalingkod on a weekend na dili magamit og laptop, dili mga ble, dili magstoryahanay og trabaho o dili magstoryahanay og business or racket or project no wala jud ba.
Maski ngay katong sa last na to na relaxation staycation sa waterfront. Nanggawas gyapon mga laptop
nag-live Q&A gyapon ko.
Ako pod.
Tapos nag-record og mga podcast. nag-review sa mga exercises sa estudyante, nagstrahanag finances.
Nagstrahanag ta sa tong
nag-strategize on sao na to pagkuan, achieve sa mga bagay-bagay bitaw, no? I think it has become normal sa tuwa ba na inana good nga.
Yeah, and then both of us were like, you know, kanang no complaints ba kay
kabulo mo gud ta.
Like kasi we're on the same page, mo good, like
yes.
I've never heard you complain of all the work that we have to do. Have I ever complained of
wala po. I think that's because we've seen each other nga nagatrabaho. Mura ganig maulaw ko magreklamo because I know you're working really hard. Ana good. Mura ganig
we're working together.
Oo, mura ganig
sabay mong gutan.
Sabay ta, and I think maano gani mabira ko ba na ko yung mga adlon magkapuya karon, pero pag makita ko sa imo ba nga you're juggling this multiple clients in multiple projects, ako po has to catch up ba, has to keep up good ngayon.
Pero also on the flip side, pag makita na ko na you're resting, for me it's like okay lang kay you've been working hard, you also need time to rest. Ana good ka nang dili po na ko ma-feel na kanang ganing kailangan ta ka i-push, kailangan
tapulan
ta
ko
or wala na ko na.
Wala di tapulan sa tanduha I mean,
I feel like I'm lazier than you, pero
feeling ako mas tapulan ko sa imo. Sige, tapulan lang tanduha, pero bitaw I think one of the things siguro that we are truly blessed is that we both understand hard work.
Yeah.
We both understand that grind jud, kung natay gusto we grind. Gusto mo nang kung makita sa mga tao that we're buying this, doing that, experiencing this and that, and achieving mga butang-butang dira, wala gid sila kabalo unsang klaseng trabaho atong ginahimo ba on a daily basis, and unsa atong mga prayers buntag o gabi ba.
More than that, it's I think for both of us it's we also don't stop being grateful of each other.
Bitaw. And magpasalamat po sa Ginoo always po.
Salamat sa Ginoo, pasalamat sa isa't isa. Like,
wait lang. Like, if you guys are wondering asa mi karon, we
are driving home.
Sin is driving me home. So gikan mi sa pauli na mi karon. It's sa time ko, it's 6:35 PM. So medyo traffic and ulan-ulan. We just figured na record na lang ang usual conversations sa sakyanan.
It has been part of our culture that we've built together for each other. Good. Na kanang when we learn something new or we learn kanang a habit that we have to build together, we talk about it and then we agree na okay, it's a good habit. We have to continue doing it together. Like it's something that we have to continue doing together. And when we do that, we become accountable to each other. Yes. Remember na kanang this year we want to be grateful, so let's always talk about the things we're grateful of. So and then I remember that year when we were talking about gratitude na kanang na ato ang year like
word of the year
na to na kanang we just talk about like the things
gratefulness
and then it started that year tapos nagsunod-sunod na siya na every year we always just talk about the things that we are grateful for.
I mean dili
but because it's not something
gratefulness
that
ako for the last pila ka years. Gratefulness ako always. Gratefulness and expansion.
Always gratefulness, and which is a good thing ani kay kanang it also helps us humble down ba na kanang gikan pud ba tag kalisod.
You know what, always it's siguro sweet, no, like we've already magud set that nakaset na tadaan sa sugod pa lang ba nga katong sa kalisod atong duha together. I know we've done multiple mistakes ato ang relationship.
Yeah, we have.
Not about cheating, really about cheating, pero multiple mistakes the way we handled our relationship. Ano ba? Nga grabe kay may mga pressure sa each other because pareho may go-getters ba. Pareho sad mi di man tawag achievers pero daghan responsibilities naka ano ba?
We both have like when
basta daghan may ginadala, daghan may extra baggages na lang. Dili so mo to nga. So when we started, when we were going through katong mga kalisod, we always tell ourselves it's okay. Like let's experience this. Ato ning namnamon ng kalisod karon, because by the time nga we nga maghinay tagsaka, then we will enjoy it sad hinahinay po tanan, and as we enjoy the success or the achievements or the growth, then let's not forget to look back kung asa ta sa una.
True.
Grabe jud, until now ma-remember jud ako everything, how hard it is na kanaganing makaingon ka ba Giyon sa to pag-survive to Swin.
Oh, ginsa na to maka-coffee shop pa ta.
Pero na yung mga bagay before na grabe ka luxuries na kay bala. Kaya mag-luxury na kay sa tuang marag, hala, inani nakakaon. Tapos karon kay dili na to siya ginaisip. Then,
okay, nuntong ko katong naay mga times mag Jollibee ta, tapos happy kaya ta na, hala, maka-afford
Once
sa
a
Jollibee ta
month.
karon. Good. Tapos kung ano ba siya katong budget meal na tag 50 lang, good, pero kanang happy kay to.
I think we've mentioned this in one of our podcasts na katong naagod tayo marag notes nga ato ang breakdown sa atong ang mga beranon. Oh. Tapos natay nakoy sobra nga 700, ikaw na kay sobra ng 500 sa imong sweldo. Tapos lipay ka ito, ni 700 ug 500 na sobra. Ana, good.
Uy, makakauntag ko.
Ana. So, I mean, I think, ang wala dyan nawala sa tuwa is always, kanaganing, pasalamat, mag-pray. Kanaganing, even the things that we don't have yet, atong ginapasalamat sa Ginoo ba, like the prayer would always goes like, Lord, salamat for all the things that we have right now. And also, thank you for all the things that we don't have still until now. I mean, ato mga bagay na wala pa sa mo atod karon, I know nga na ay wala mi kabalo kung para sa mua or para dili, pero please ihatag sa mua not just our heart's desire but what is truly meant for us.
Yeah, and also like because of that gani kanang the amount of gratitude that we have towards the Lord, most especially and towards kanang each other, kanang it has not wavered gani. Like if we would look at the finances that we are looking at right now compared to years ago, kabalo ka ng the level of thankfulness na naatay pambayad before and now is the same.
Yes, ana.
Like the amount of money is not kumbaga dili siya
di siya same kadako pero same lang gyapon ang pressure sa mga beranon.
Oo.
Ano ba parang tanan
parang kanang it's
nag-triple nag XXX ang income pero nag-XXX pero beranon pero ang feelings the same sa una nga apason gyapon bayad and still grateful na naipambayad. Ana ba?
So good kanang ingana na level.
So I think going back to what we were talking about, why we started recording this is because katulagi when people sees us buying stuff, siguro what they see is, namalit na po sila ginani. Pero gusto lang ako nga ipasabot sa tanan nga kaniya mong ipamalit are the things that kanaganing kapulokaan ng our reward to ourselves.
Reward to ourselves, and people should understand it's something that we talk about
multiple
times. But then so murag na joke siya na joke siya internally sa tuwa na tanaw lang daw kuno pero magpalit na di ay.
Ana dyan.
Pero it's not like kanang karon lang giisip na palito na to.
Dili.
But really we have talked about it. We did a little bit of research about it, and then we talk about the pros and cons. We planned out organic. Okay, gusto na ko ni paliton and I know that kaya na ko siya bayaran because I have these projects or I have lined up nga mga inani or nana ko gipang dawat nga projects in advance mo nang kaya na ko siya bayaran. So forget something na anytime we can do it. It's more of like when.
Yes, when. When siya.
When na lang.
Hindi, I think ilan na dyan doon, no? Pag natin gusto paliton, trabahoan na to.
Trabahoan sa i-sure sa gyud.
I-sure sa kaya bayaran.
Kaya bayaran before. And i-sure sa na it is something that we can actually use and benefit from.
Benefit?
Yeah, like even the washing machine, babe, dugay kayo na ito nag-istoryahan before ta nag-decide magpalit ng washing machine. Is it top load?
Is it front load? Is this what? Blah, blah, blah.
Ana, diba?
Is it convenience? Inana, so dagang ikalangan na din.
Pati ang ref.
Tanan.
Istoryahan pa na to before
is it nagpalit. This door, that door, whatever. Pero bitaw, I think also pod Swin, kay kita magduha kay wala aside from wala magutay luho jud. I don't know if what matawag luho pero
luho again?
I don't.
Inheritance?
Dili luho ka ng mga things na kanang imong ikabuangan ba nga mo ba at di ko siya ba imong
like vices?
Dili pod luho are the things that you buy because you this would explain basta ang point is margig luho magunang mamalit og mga bagay din mo kailangan tama ko ako lang lahion wala magud tay mga bisyo na lang itanduha wala na like I mean we are living the free world when we're in college but we both realize it's not a good thing so we already like years na magdugay na kitang nagbuang-buang anong mga ina
kumbaga been there done that we're good.
We've
We've learned from it.
Yes. We're super, kanang maraganig,
No regrets.
No regrets. We're too cool to do that again. So,
Yeah.
right now, wala man ko yung maisip na bisyo. I don't go out with friends para maginom-inom. I don't smoke. None of us really like maglaag-laag for something because of friends. Of course, we meet with friends sometimes, pero that's super rare. Pero most of the
It's not
time,
something that, like, it's a must. Like, kanang dili, kumbaga, dili mahimutang kung dili makagawas, dili po siya nga na.
I mean, we enjoy lang nagitang duha na lang.
Oh, we enjoy
Ikaw,
going out
you
with
enjoy,
each other.
ikaw pag nasa balay, you enjoy nga mag-crochet. Ako, ma-enjoy ko magsigtanaw sa isda. Kaning, babe, okay na mga palit ko og isda. Like, pag una pod, I bought something like a betta fish out from blah blah blah. This one is 500. Man, okay lang. I mean, dili siya sakit pa because because we know nga kanang it helps us makatanggal sa stress ba.
I mean, you know, like, we also had this conversation. We support each other sa tong mga ginagmay na gusto paliton. Like, even before, like, right now, I'm into crochet. So, mga yarn, babe, palit kog yarn. Even if wala pa ko project for the yarn, basta gusto ko palit kog yarn ka, nag-sale sila.
I think what we're trying to say ultimately is that it works when the couple understands each other and supports each other. And ganing same mo og goals ba, direction together.
Yep.
Kay kanang wala dili siya lisod ba. Kay murag walay kailangan pirahon, walay kailangan i-push.
Pero dili po siya overnight na to na learn.
Dili jud.
Kanang naagyud kay nung ko sa tong first 3 years together, grabe atong away. Because of trying to understand each other.
Yeah.
But one thing we agreed on that has really stuck is that there's no plan B.
Yeah, there's no plan.
For our relationship,
Yes.
there's no plan B.
Ana jud, like
And that really helped us.
Dili siya dapat isipon nga kung di ni mag-work na ba to kulain pwede himuon after kung wala na niya ba. So
kanang wala yung na ano ba kind of.
It's either you or just you. Bisag uyab pa ta.
Si Kuya Patabi. Grabe to ba? And I saw this quote on Facebook na very quote on Facebook, pero it was like a picture of this old couple ba? Diba, relationship goals ito na old couple, the sweet yapon kay sila na. Tas nakabutan ito sa quote na we came from a generation wherein we fix things together. Kana ba? Like, they fix things together. And then I think that was us from the very beginning na we fix things together. Na problema, we fix things together. Like, one of us made a mistake, we fix it together. It's not just you, it's not just me, we help each other fix it. Inga na good.
And I also realize now that we're talking about this that we are not just growing together, but we are also growing individually. Like, ikaw, you grow on your career, on your sa imong world ba, nagagrow ka. Ako po, nagagrow ko sa ako ang mga trips sa kinabuhi, akong social media, ako ang like how I handle myself also. Now that I'm getting more people na kanang ka-consume sa content, of course na mga musiwil dira. I'm also growing in how to handle kanang mga negative na mga tao inana. So we allow each other to have that space to grow, but by the end of the day it's really just the two of us. And ang Ginoo ang last ba marganig. So kung sa mga adlaw sinitabo, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, because I don't know if you guys are aware, pero most of the day, like throughout the day, we barely talk to each other. Kay lahi among ginahimo.
Kung mag-start na man, it's Tony asking me, babe, unsaon ni ngani? Babe, asa ganitong? Babe, asa ang akong? Babe, asa ang?
And you would like, babe, can you do this? Can you turn that off? Can you give me water? Can you pass me that? Can you please?
Babe, where's my ball pen? You took it.
Ana. So, and that's why it's important that by the end of the day, makastorya min duwa. And I think it also helps nga same tao time zone sa trabaho.
I cannot.
Same time sa trabaho.
Same.
And although nagkatrabaho pagyapon ka most of the time sa gabi, na ako sim kilid, like while you're working, kung na naka sa bed, galing ko ako gigahapa sa kilid.
You allow me to talk about my work even if wala ka kasabot.
Exactly. Even though if I'm not really listening, I just allow you to talk.
You do your best to make me feel like you're listening.
Yeah, I'm like,
Pero kung ko wala na siya
of course, my mind is somewhere. My mind is responding to what are your courses. Pero yun, the presence helps. I think one of the things you learned about me is my attention span
is
very, very short.
Very short. like really, babe, really short. Like, I know when we're conversing with someone na nag-fly na ka, I would nudge you. Or I would like hapak your lap sometimes.
Remember, nakipag-meet ta sa katong Ateneo na na katong sa courses na atong i-offer sa Ateneo? Tapos habang nag-storya ka, or nag-storya siya, ganun ako sa kong phone, nata sa Zoom together. Nagko-comment na ko. So, kasi like, dugay mo man aniga. Maraganig ako una-una ba? I get it. I'm sorry, ma'am, if you're listening to this. This is not about you. This is really my fault. Ako dito na problema, ma'am. So, while I was listening ba, nakaabot ako. Yes, nakasabot ako sa ginaingon. Tapos, magtuyok-tuyok pa man ang conversation ako. Kini-ambak na ko. Yes, gets na ako. Tapos, nanako sa kong phone, inana. Kasi inana, Jud. I mean, I can't help it. Inana. So, not unless ako ang gasto sa front.
Like kapag you're in front kay imo ang attention is really kay you get energy from the crowd.
Yes, so, and I'm always mapansin ako dili nagapaminaw sa goa. I'm super sharp when it comes to that.
Super sharp.
Pero bito, I guess that's it. We need to end this kasi
dagan magutagin na story put together.
Do you guys enjoy this kind of like content? I'm not sure, pero unta na mo nakuha nga mga random things from how we deal with our relationships and our relationship and how we we are as a couple.
Like converse, like normal lang ni siya na yung na conversation sa mo naga heart to heart yun. And yes, it is possible.
It is possible. Nga pareho mo doing the same job.
Pareho mo okay lang mag heart to heart.
Yes. No judging. Thank you guys. This is
Sweet
and Tony,
and we call the show
Sweeto.